We are on our way to cleanliness. I think you're getting into this way. Why don't you pick up the cord there, video boy, so I can mop under it. Pick it up, honey. Oh, right there, so you could mop underneath it. Thank you. Oh, I spent my weekend at Grandma's. Grandma made me work. Have dinner at Panda Express with some. Okay. Alright, dude. Yes, thank you, honey. No. Come in today and save 30% on your new glasses. Only at Lens Crafters. Hey guys, don't put me on camera. No, I'm gonna run this way. Hey, no, this way. What are you doing? Oh my god, ball. Oh, jeez, ball. Oh, too bad. I'm on camera. Hey, get me off, man.
I don't know why you guys are all like that. I'm a movie star. Hey guys. Oh yeah, pretty great. Oh, watch me jump. Come here, Chloe. Come here. Come here. Oh, you jerk. Okay. Hola.
Hey guys, leave me alone.
Taking my dog, Pate, and he runs really fast. So, I'll show you. Chloe! She couldn't even stop. Alright, watch. Come on, Chloe. Oh my gosh. Oh geez, she saw a cat. Jimmy! Ow. When she turns, she like puts her head on the ground. She goes, eee. Come on. I fell into a tree. I think she's pooped. Okay, maybe now she's pooped. Look at that. You gross. Still at my grandma's, and I'm gonna go stand in this hydrant thingy. Woo. Still at my grandma's, and I'm really tall now. Woo. That's scary. Yeah. And we might go see a movie or something. And she's gonna get in for free because she's so young. Oh geez, sorry, I was zoomed in. Zoom in. Zoom out. I don't know if that worked. And is she really eating grass? Really? She is literally just walking and eating. eating grass! Stop eating grass! What do you have to say for yourself? Oh, really? It's really interesting. Oh. No, I don't beat her. Come on, come on. Come on, Chloe. Come on. Dude, stop eating grass. Really? Really? You're gonna walk and eat? You think that I can't see it? I'm sorry I'm doing this. Oh, my butt's getting so wet right now. Oh, I feel it. Ew, I felt my butt get wet. Dun. Okay, she eats one more grass. I don't know. Ew. Yeah, you don't want to see that. I'm spinning. I'm falling. Okay, I'm good. Okay, never mind. I'm really good. Hey, you know what I see? I might go to the movies, or I might not. I'm going back Sunday night, I think, to the house, and it's all foggy. Oh, shoot. Yeah. Hey. Oh, hell no. Oh. Chloe, get back here. Hey. That's not your house. Go that way. Or it's not. That house is not our house either. Come on. Come on. That's not your house. Come on. Hey, no. Down. I really want to try this. I know how I'm going to with the camera, though. Oh yeah, tree. Oh, ew, mud. Oh. Ew. Oh, jeez. I rolled in mud. Oh, God. I'm gonna have to clean that up. Ghetto 99-cent store. Oh, thanks for that. Look at my present. Thanks, girl.